In terms of helping with this, our course aims are to start from the beginning. So if you're brand new to creating charts and visualizing data using Excel, then don't worry, this is aimed right at that level to begin with. To do some maybe more exciting stuff that might be new ways of presenting data for those who have used charts before, such as making our charts interactive, bringing in some dynamic labeling, stuff that will take us beyond the kind of standard preset settings that Excel provides. And it provides a lot. There are many settings, but sometimes you want to go beyond that, primarily using our formula skills, because that's our muscles really to go through the ceiling and get to enrich our visuals beyond the standard. So that will be our plan. We'll look at built-in features like chart templates as well, and we'll be utilising the example of measuring actuals against a target or kind of budget value for a few of our demos.